द ओवरहँड मध्ये चली का अगर कस ते नीट का करणार आधी का ना one low follow with the left to right straight yes sir yeah coming forward okay one low drop it forward finish with the 2-3 drop it forward yes sir again now here same thing good now here same thing okay
اوکی چیزی نمونده دیگه روزه در میریم اوکی نباش با احتیاط باش Let's go
давай
زود بیا ببین خوبی؟
Alhamdulillah. Allah is everything. Only God is enough.
Sao bia? Bia. Bia. Đó. Để bố xe này làm gì được? Ok.
چلو از فیلم دیگه
کم هستیم به دست دست آخر رو
کجا به چلو
هم تو هم جلو برو جلو این تو ها به کف بهتره آخر رو گذاشتم اونجا آخر اونجاست ببین اونجوری اینور بگیر رو شیر نگیر بیا روی اینور بچرخ اینور هم رو زمین بگیر چون اونجا شیر انگار شستی
Cool.
Good.
Sweating is a hard thing than bleeding.
در بیر
इधर सबको पीछे करा दे सबको पीछे करा दे
अब भाई चाचा ये दरमियान में जाइए एक ये है वो दूसरे तीनों में
तीनों है You can pause.
ओ यार ठहर जाओ यार बड़ी जल्दी तो आनी यार
Pose. Very nice. That was good, bro.
ये अंदर रखो
Don't call like you were saying to people in Gene.
See Wagah station. Never thought of coming to this side of the border, but finally we're here, and the journey has been like, oh my god. Just ask the management, they know it. I don't have to explain anything about it. We're supposed to go for an open workout at 4, and it's 4:30 already. We just left the border. What else? Pretty tired. I just want to go back, take a sleep, and in the morning we have weight cut. I just want to be on point with the weight cut and the fight. Rest everything else is just secondary. And yeah, we'll do what we can do best for Brave because promotion is also required. At the same point of time, I also have a fight and health is also required. So yeah, the pressure is not on me. The pressure is on him. He is fighting in front of his own people, in his own hometown, in front of his own crowd. The pressure is on him. He has a lot of expectation. I come here like an underdog. I love to be an underdog. I don't think I am an underdog, but of course, you see the organization, they will put me as an underdog, and I love to be an underdog because that is where success stories are made. Rocky was an underdog, and these are the kind of opportunities you wait in life. You cross borders to fight, to win, go back home with a lot of stories. So yeah, I see a lot of army people around. I'm not used to this. A lot of people. It's okay. Yeah, so the pressure is on him, not on me, and I'm absolutely on point with everything. And for me, the first priority is cutting weight. The second priority is fighting. On the day of fighting, fighting is the priority. It's as simple as that. Nothing else. Nothing else matters. See, liver.
तू मटन खाता है तू?
मटन मैं सब खा जाता हूँ, ऐसे कुछ नहीं है.
ज़्यादा टाइम आना चलेंगे.
Dude, I want to take a picture of this thing. It's a different. Yeah, पाकिस्तान का तो खाना सुपर है dude. एक बार वेट देने के बाद तो सब खाऊंगा मैं. वेट बढ़ा के जाऊंगा पाकिस्तान से. It was all the same, and suddenly everything changed. Shit. Yeah, I'm waiting for him. He also has to check in. Yeah. आपका ये दे दो. पासपोर्ट और वीज़ा है बस.
This guy is straight up, man. They sent something.
हेलो गाइस, मेरा नाम भरत कंडारे है और हम आज पाकिस्तान में है. ऑलरेडी हम लोगों ने ट्रैवल किया अमृतसर से बॉर्डर, फिर बॉर्डर से हम लोग अंदर आए और देखने को मिला कि एंट्री करना काफ़ी टफ है, आसान नहीं है. और ठीक है, आज हम लोग यहाँ पे तो पहुँच ही गए ब्रो. आज हम लोग आप सबके लिए विक्ट्री लेके आने वाले हैं. ठीक है, तो सपोर्ट करिए. हम फाइट खेलेंगे ब्रेव में और विक्ट्री लेके आएंगे इंडिया के लिए. थैंक यू.
We went through a lot of things. First of all, visa issues, because as you know, the diplomatic relations between both the countries are not good. But as I come to Pakistan, I don't see anything. Like all good hospitality, and good people everywhere. Everyone is taking care of us. But it was a hectic journey to cross the border because we were supposed to fly from Delhi to Sri Lanka and then come to Pakistan, which was like 23 hours of flight. But finally, we had a talk with Mohammed Saeed, and Brave did an amazing arrangement to cross the border from Wagah. But finally here, I am here in Lahore among all the fighters and the Brave team. Everyone is taking good care of me, and I'm really looking forward to it. a lot of effort to be in Pakistan, but finally I am here in Pakistan, Rizwan, and I will see you. I'll see you very soon. And when it comes down to you fighting an Indian opponent in your previous fight, it's all right. Like I'm a fighter first, and I'm a martial artist first. I don't see which country and which person and whom are you fighting. But at the end of the day, you fought an Indian, and you replied like India has quantity and you have quality, and this is the first time you are going to meet someone with quality, and you will see in the cage. And I'm looking forward. I'm eager to be in the cage. I'll see you. This way? Okay.
See, bro. How's things?
Very nice. How have you been?
Good, good, good. What happened to you?
Nothing, I'm fine.
Yeah.
I just wait for the light here.
How's things?
Amazing. But long day.
Yeah.
Pretty long
I just
day.
landed like an hour back.
They're saying us to take vaccination medication. I was like, what is
From where?
happening?
From here or from there?
From there. They're like,
India?
yeah, they like take some polio drops. I'm like, why?
But you haven't done that when you were a kid?
Yeah, but then they still said like you're going and then you'll come back, and
Okay.
there were a lot of issues going on. So we stayed there for 1 hour trying to ask them like, what will you do without it? And they're like, no, you have to. It's mandatory, or else we are not letting you cross the border. And like, we had to do it.
I think we'll write a book on just how you getting this right. And that'll be so-
Unbelievable. But the help you did and faith, like amazing. Everything was on point, and I'm very glad that I'm here. But I need a lot of rest right now.
No, get some rest. I
yeah.
think you guys need it.
Yeah.
And it is a big fight, you know.
Yeah,
I think that's what
definitely.
to do great
Yeah.
things, to take big steps, you know.
Yeah.
That's
You on the call actually changed my mind a little bit. And then,
No, I think this is for me. I've said that also. Like, you could take any fighters and make an India-Pakistan fight.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
You could make any fighters and say that, oh, India is fighting. You know, that's never something that we want to do. We know for 10 years we're working in India.
yeah.
We never want to do that. All of us know the history, you know, of
Yeah,
how
yeah.
they've been used, how fighters have been used, the way
Yeah,
we've
definitely.
been used. You know, all of us.
I think it's still going on.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think few people can change it. You know,
Yeah.
our history says that we've always changed things. You know, so we'll do it again. You know, for sure.
I will
Let's
definitely.
get some rest. Feel the best. Anything you need here, you know, let us know. You know, you feel like you're around family. Here,
Sure,
You know.
no problem.
Hey, Bharat?
Thank you, brother.
See you.
Thank
Anything
you,
you need,
brother.
let us know.
No problem. Thank you very much.